Today I am reviewing the Roborock Q10 S5 plus robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock Q10 S5 plus robot vacuum and mop is a high-performance smart cleaning solution designed for users who want powerful suction, advanced navigation, and true hands-free convenience. It combines strong vacuuming capabilities with intelligent mopping and automation, making it one of the most complete robot cleaners in its category. Starting with performance, this robot vacuum delivers an impressive 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction power, which is exceptionally strong for a robot vacuum. This level of suction allows it to lift deep-set dirt, dust, crumbs, and even embedded pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Whether you have hardwood, tiles, or carpets, the Q10 S5 Plus adapts well and provides consistent cleaning performance across all surfaces. It is especially effective in homes with pets, where hair and debris can accumulate quickly. One of the standout features is the dual anti-tangle system, which includes a specially designed main brush and side brush. This system helps prevent hair from wrapping around the brushes, which is a common issue with many robot vacuums. By reducing tangling, maintenance becomes much easier, and the vacuum can operate more smoothly over time without constant manual cleaning. This is a huge advantage for pet owners and households with long hair. The mopping system is another highlight. The Q10 S5 Plus features the VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, which uses sonic vibration technology to scrub floors up to 3,000 times per minute. This allows it to effectively remove stains, sticky spots, and dried messes that simple mopping robots often struggle with. The mop can also lift up to 8 millimeters when transitioning onto carpets, ensuring that carpets stay dry while hard floors are thoroughly cleaned. This intelligent lifting feature makes it truly versatile for mixed-floor homes. When it comes to navigation, this robot vacuum uses precise sense LiDAR technology, which allows it to scan your home in 360 degrees and create detailed maps. This results in highly efficient cleaning paths, reducing missed spots and unnecessary repetition. The system also supports multi-floor mapping, so it can remember different levels of your home and adjust its cleaning accordingly. Combined with reactive tech obstacle avoidance, the robot can detect and navigate around furniture, shoes, cables, and other obstacles with precision, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. Another major convenience feature is the self-emptying dock, which can store dust and debris for up to 70 days. This means you don't have to manually empty the dust bin after every cleaning session. The large 2.7-liter dust bag significantly reduces maintenance, making this robot ideal for busy households or anyone who prefers a low-maintenance cleaning solution. This is one of the biggest advantages for hands-free cleaning. The Roborock mobile app adds another layer of control and customization. Through the app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, set mopping levels, define no-go zones, and even choose specific rooms to clean. You can also activate features like Carpet Boost, where the robot automatically increases suction when it detects carpeted areas. For added convenience, the Q10 S5 Plus supports voice control through Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to start, stop, or control the vacuum with simple voice commands. Smart Carpet Care is another thoughtful feature. The vacuum uses ultrasonic detection to identify carpets and automatically lifts the mop while increasing suction power. This ensures that carpets are not accidentally wet while still receiving a deep clean. It shows how intelligent the system is in adapting to different environments. Battery life and efficiency are also well optimized. The robot is designed to clean large areas in a single run, and when the battery runs low, it can automatically return to its dock, recharge, and resume cleaning from where it left off. This makes it suitable for larger homes and ensures no area is left uncleaned. In terms of design, the Q10 S5 Plus maintains a sleek and modern black finish that fits well into any home environment. The dock is also compact yet functional, housing the self-emptying system without taking up too much space. Overall, the design is both practical and visually appealing. One important note is that the device supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is standard for smart home devices. This ensures stable connectivity, although users should make sure their network supports it. Overall, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance cleaning solution. It combines strong suction, advanced mopping, smart navigation, and long-term automation into one highly capable device. If you want a robot vacuum that can handle deep cleaning, pet hair, mopping, and smart navigation with minimal effort, this model stands out as a top-tier option. It's designed to save time, reduce manual cleaning, and keep your home consistently clean with very little intervention.